So this is going to be a background for that panel on page 4 that, good Lord, I've been working on for so long, but I have made progress. I have. And the figures I think are done and whatever. Later today I gotta take all this stuff outside and photograph it because of course need the light to do growth photography. Anyway,